Welcome to the presentation on the AEM Dispatcher Migration Tool. Today, we'll understand what the AEM Dispatcher is, why migration is necessary, and how Adobe's Dispatcher Migration Tool helps streamline the process for AEM as a cloud service. Let's dive into why this tool matters in a cloud-first world. The AEM Dispatcher is Adobe's caching and load balancing tool. It plays a crucial role in optimizing performance, security, and scalability of AEM instances. With Adobe shifting focus to AEM as a cloud service, legacy on-premise dispatchers must be modernized. Migration ensures compatibility and adheres to Adobe's best practices. Automating this migration reduces risk and speeds up cloud readiness. This tool is a command-line utility provided by Adobe. Its main function is to convert old dispatcher configurations into formats that are compatible with AEM as a cloud service. It's part of the broader AEM modernization tool suite and enforces recommended structures and conventions, reducing manual effort significantly. The Dispatcher Migration Tool has several key features. It parses and transforms the legacy dispatcher, any configuration files. It refactors core areas like filters, cache rules, and virtual host setups. The output is modular and tailored for different environments such as dev, stage, and production. It supports multi-environment deployment, ensuring consistency across the project lifecycle. Use this tool when migrating from older AEM versions like 6.x to AEM as a cloud service. It's also useful for standardizing inconsistent legacy configurations or preparing deployments via Cloud Manager. If you're building CI/CD pipelines, integrating the migration tool ensures your dispatcher configs are cloud-ready. To use the tool, install it using Adobe I/O CLI. Set up your legacy configs in a specific input directory. Run the tool to generate modernized configs. Use AEM SDK dispatcher tools to validate locally. Finally, deploy the new configuration to Cloud Manager for end-to-end testing. Follow these best practices. Always back up your original configurations before starting migration. Use the AEM project archetype as your structural reference. Keep your configurations modular for easier maintenance and reusability. Validate changes locally before pushing to the cloud. Document any custom rules or deviations for future maintainability. Although powerful, the tool has limitations. It may struggle with heavily customized setups and might require manual adjustments. It doesn't provide real-time validation and does not replace performance tuning or security hardening steps. So always do a thorough review post-migration.